So now I have some collisions here which make it more interesting and so on. But we have a problem here. The player is confused about whether he can or cannot go through this obstacle. And there are several ways to fix this. But if I check this, like I can check this height here. And let's just say this is 10 centimeters, okay? So depending on my gameplay, in my case, I cannot go down. So you will have some metrics. For example, if this is your player and you have like an obstacle here, this height should be high enough to make sure you can jump like this. In other cases, like when this wall is too tall, then for sure the player will know that cannot go through here, cannot jump. This is too tall. And the problem is between these two when it's not too tall and not too short. So the player will get confused. It's like, is this something I can go through and actually pass, or is this a wall where I cannot go through? So this is the same thing that is happening here. So here we have this part here has some height. If we want to make sure that the player knows that this is something that you can go through, we should make this higher to something like this. So there wouldn't be any difference. We can either do that, or we can get this down here to the ground so that the player knows that he can go through here, no problem. Or we can block this path. So we will check the options here in Unreal. Okay. So if I go here, if I move this up just like this, and I play again, now this is very obvious that I can go through, right? There is no misunderstanding. The player will go here and, oh, no problem, I can go here. That's fine. We can also do something like this where we can put it down. Maybe like this. So when we play here, we can just go through. It's short enough so that the player doesn't get confused that you can, like, this shouldn't stop you, okay? So before we had this, and this is a problem, right? So what happens if you have this and you cannot actually move this? Like, it's like this is part of your level, this needs to be here. How can you solve this? Well, you can create some blockers here to make sure that the player knows that they actually cannot go through this place. Maybe some boxes here, like this. So now when the player comes here, it's very easy for me to know that I cannot go through this area. Okay? That's the first thing. And this is called metrics. The metrics are what makes your game feel comfortable. It doesn't necessarily is this is, you know, the thing you use to don't have bugs. Because a bug is also something that you confuse the player and you make the player feel frustrated. So this is $1 million tip that you can get when you're making your games. Like, make the player feel comfortable. It's your number one priority. Not make it look pretty, not make it like look great or whatever. It's just make it feel comfortable. And we will go through these principles little by little. Okay? I'm just wondering if there is